In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the front plate onto a baseboard heater. In this home, we have a boiler and it connects throughout the house to every room has baseboard heaters. Something that will happen often is these front plates will come off. So what I want to do is take a moment to show you how they attach and how you can easily put them back on. So you'll notice that there are these hangers right here throughout the installation of the baseboard heater. This one has 4 in total. Directly below the hangers, you're gonna also see that there's a mounting bracket right here for the lower part. You'll see that at every hanging point. So the first step is you're going to look at your baseboard heater, and this one appears to be a mirror image, so it's symmetrical. So it doesn't matter which side is positioned up or down. So what I'm gonna do is put this bottom lip of the front plate underneath the bracket that is below my hanger. And then I'm going to, as it's hinging on that, I'm gonna put it right up against this hanger, and you can see that it's right at the perfect height where if you apply some pressure, it pops right on. So I'll do that again. So put it underneath, apply some pressure, and pop it on. So I'll do that on one end, and then what I like to do is walk to the other end and do the same step. And pop it on. And then for the ones in the middle, just reorient them as well. So now, this front plate is on the baseboard heater, and that's gonna help protect it. All right, and that's how you quickly install a front plate on a baseboard heater. Hope that was helpful for you.